Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're talking mocktails. So I did pull like 5 different mocktails off of Pinterest and I tested them out, so I'll let you know what I think of each of them, and I'm going to show you how I made them. I like to do this because I don't typically drink, but I do like having fun drinks in the summer especially, and I figured now is a good time to film these and share them with you before we hit full-blown summer. So let's get started on making the mocktails. So for the sparkling pineapple drink, you're going to need pineapple juice, Sprite, and grenadine. And they said the key to this was mixing it in the proper layers, so doing the pineapple juice, Sprite, and then grenadine. I have made this one probably 3 or 4 different times at this point, and I think the thing that kept messing it up until the very end after I'd stopped filming was that I wasn't shaking the pineapple juice up, so make sure you do that because that's the part that gave it the yellow tone. And then of course you want to top it off with a garnish, and for this one I just did 3 cherries on a toothpick. I will say this one was probably my favorite of all of them. So the recipe on the other slide is actually for 2 beverages of this, but for this one you need frozen pineapple chunks, pineapple juice, and cream of coconut. I bought this gourmet cream of coconut, and I will say I don't know if it's on the sweeter side than traditional, but this drink did come out very sweet. Very simple. Mix it all together in the blender, blend it up till it's smooth, and then pour it into your glass. And I apologize for the filming on this one being so high up. I didn't realize it till I was all done, and I didn't want to make it again, but you do want to garnish with a pineapple slice. And like I said, this one was good, very refreshing for a hot day, but it is very sweet. Full recipe for this one is supposed to make a total of 4 drinks, and this one starts out a little different. You have to make some jalapeno simple syrup by mixing half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and a pineapple, no seeds, together to boil and simmer until the sugar's been completely dissolved, and then you let this cool. And then once it's all cooled, we're going to work on assembling it all. I did freshly squeeze out a 1/4 cup of lime juice. You'll need orange juice and club soda. And you basically mix the orange juice, the lime juice, and your simple syrup into a pitcher. So this one's a lot more fun for garnishing. You run a lime wedge around the edge and put some coarse salt. Fill your cup with some ice. This thing's said to do about a 1/4 of your cup with the juice mixture, and then top it with club soda. I added a splash more. And then you put your lime wedge and a piece of jalapeno in it. I will say this one was not very spicy like I was expecting, but it was okay. So this one was really easy. You just needed some sliced up limes, fresh mint leaves, and a lime liqueur. Oh, and a muddler. This tool I did order specifically for this video, but I'm pretty sure this is going to come in quite handy. So you're going to start by putting your lime into the bottom and the mint leaves on top, and then you're going to muddle it up. Once it's completely muddled, then you're going to top with some ice cubes and pour your liqueur over the top. And then we're just going to stir it up real good and go ahead and taste it. Again, this one wasn't one of my favorites. I'm not a huge fan of seltzer water, and that's most likely probably why. But it was good. And for the last one, we're doing a strawberry refresher. A little bit different. We need some diced up strawberries, lime slices, fresh mint leaves, and a Sprite. Now, I would recommend starting with the strawberries on the bottom, then your limes, and then the leaves. And I forgot to mention it, but you need like a teaspoon of sugar, which I added in, and then you muddle it all together. Pour some ice over the top and your Sprite, and once again stir it up for a nice refreshing drink. This one was probably my second favorite one in terms of what I would drink repeatedly. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching and seeing how I made these mocktails. If you decide to make them yourself, let me know in the comments down below. But as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.